Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. Now I will present a presentation about what I have learned in production of oil and gas. My name is Arsen. My instructor's name is Arsen. Let's start. My outline divides into 5 main parts. They are introduction, onshore and offshore, Christmas tree and the wellhead, natural lift and artificial lift, and conclusion. As we know, oil field divided into 3 parts. They are upstream, midstream, and downstream. Production is located in upstream, and oil production is a process in which there are difficulties and benefits for our environment. At the moment, many things are made from oil. Therefore, oil production is important. The purpose of this video is to explain what I have learned in oil production. This part about onshore and offshore. The first picture is onshore, second is offshore. Onshore means on land, and it's located on land, and any oil and gas industry exploration and production work done on land with land equipment. Offshore is located on top of sea or water, any water, and we for this offshore we use marine equipment. Let's move to the Christmas tree and wellhead. So Christmas tree and wellhead, they are not same because their purpose is different each other. Christmas tree's purpose is to control the flow of fluid on oil and gas well, and the wellhead's purpose is to control the pressure. In the picture, the first equipment is Christmas tree, and second is wellhead. Also, Christmas trees are located on the bottom of the sea, we call subsea trees, and that Christmas tree that located on the land called land trees. On this picture you see 4 types of separator. Separator helps us to separate or clean the oil from water and the gas. And here we see 4 types. They are: first type is horizontal 3-phase separator with an overflow weir. Second is with oil bucket and a water weir. Third is interface control, and fourth is downcomer. And their purpose is same as I said before, to separate the oil from gas and the water. And for this we use the same equipments like interface level controller and the dump valve. So here our fluid comes to the inlet, and there is located converter that's our fluid inlet converts or changes the direction of fluid and or flow, direction of fluid or flow, and breaks the surface tension. Surface tension is the surface of the fluid. As gas is lighter than oil and gas, it sits on the top, and water is heavy than oil, that's why it's located on the bottom. So separator helps us to separate oil from gas and water. It's important for production. Let's move to the natural and artificial lift. These lifts helps us to produce our oil, and so let's start with natural lift. So what is natural lift? Natural lift, when we drill our well, so there is in the subsurface there is enough pressure than our surface. That's why the fluid because of the high pressure, fluid comes to the surface. So it's called natural lift. But natural lift can die or stop the producing because of viscosity, high viscosity, because of the heavy oil, and to get fluid to the surface we need more energy. That's why natural lift stops. But for this to continue our well, to continue our production, we can use artificial lift methods. So in the picture we see types of artificial lift. They are six. Cyclone pump, the most used pumps, they are cyclone pump, hydraulic pump, submersible electric pump, and gas lift. And the low common used pumps are plunger lift and progressive cavity pump. So I will just choose gas lift method to explain more because of the time. So in the picture, the gas lift system, when we produce our petroleum, here it goes to our separator, and the separator, from separator our gas is located, as I said before, gas is located on the top of the separator. That's why gas goes to the here, and some gas turns here for our two cells or flare, to get two cells of flare, and to give energy to our gas motor. Then other gas goes to here to volume chamber, if required. But it's not important sometimes because it gives some pressure to our gas, and from here our gas goes to the scrubber. Scrubber helps us to get dry gas, and our dry gas goes to the compressor. Compressor help us to get high pressure gas, because on first stage we had low pressure gas. Then our compressor will convert low pressure gas to high pressure gas, and from compressor till here our starts our third network that called high pressure gas network. So from compressor our gas goes to the volume chamber, here also volume chamber located, and to our well. So I can say that the gas lift system is circulating system, because from producing gas it goes all process, and goes to the first stage, and gas is mixtured with our fluid and goes to the separator again. But on gas lift system we have advantages and disadvantages. Disadvantages is that we have to always give energy to our compressor to get high pressured gas. That's why it's hard. And advantages is that it's circulating system. So thank you for your watching. I want to conclude with conclusion. For entire period of study, we received more information which cannot be explained in 10 minutes. Thanks to the instructor for that, and I hope that we will see and practice what we have learned during this for during all the time. We need to know everything related to the oil industry as we oilman, future oilman. So we will not stop and want to know more and more. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.